Welcome to my video. This video title is Offline Google Chrome Browsing. Very simple and free. First check it. Go to first thing, open your Google Chrome. Please install your Google Chrome latest version. Next step, enter note this URL. You enter my typing URL. Type www.jcwebstar.com. This is offline browser. Try again 100 times. So I already tried 100 times. You try 100 times today. Next 101 times visit and available offline browser. Enter jcwebstar.com. I waiting. You enter please. Enter please. Quickly enter. Quick enter www.jcwebstar. Enter keyboard button. Ahahaha. This is very funny video. This is very funny video. Close.